Hello guys, I just hit one rebirth right now. See, you guys can see it right there. Rebirth one. Okay, so I am. What was I gonna do? Okay, so I was gonna grind out some money at the event, at the Christmas event, because this is a good place to get money. When you rebirth your first time or your second time, you guys should come here to get money and then go to Candyland. So you guys can buy the 400,000 item or shovel. So see, if I just get this, I'm going to get tons of money right now. So I just skipped the video till I have tons of money, and see you guys. Okay guys, I got the 400,000. It took me like about 3 minutes, not much. In the Christmas event, you get money fast, dude. You get like snap of a finger. So for my second rebirth, I need 20 mil, but I ain't gonna grind that out right now. Probably off camera. Okay. Wait. Oh, I was like, why isn't, because I didn't buy anything. I thought I did. Okay. Let's go. Is there any, like, new cosmetics here? No, there's not. Wait. I think this is new, because I think it used to cost 1 mil on the normal world. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna get the sucker shovel. Load, please. I need this to load. Okay, it looks like this. Doesn't look powerful, but you don't know. It's like, oh wait, if it's worse than mine, I'm gonna cry. I didn't even check. So this is 45 times 50. No. Okay, it's way better than mine. Okay, that's good. Let's go to backpack. Let's get a new backpack. I'll buy a good one, because I need space. 2,500. Okay, that's good. Her quest. We gotta do her quest. Okay. Her quest is she needs 20 lollipops and 15 gummy worms. Dang, it's really fast now. Okay, I'll be getting that fast. Like, I'm not even gonna mind the peppermint. I'm just gonna keep going down. Till I find, I think there's egg candy down here, which is like so much money. Which is worth so much money. I'll just get this around me, because, you know, I said I didn't mind it, but like, it doesn't matter. Okay, I already filled up. That was quick. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try for a new pet here, see if I get lucky. That's good. Cosmetics, eggs. So, let's buy one of these. Let's see if this place is actually OP, and see if it could get me a really good egg. Let's just mine this all out. Oh wow. Let's get the Skittles. And these. Oh no. Okay, the lollipop war is like not too rare, and that's what I need. Let me see the quest. Ooh, it's gummy bear. Zoom in. Lots of ore here. Good amount for a group of people. Dang, it's tons. More gummy bear up there. I still feel like the Christmas place is better to get money, but I'm gonna come here for this video because this is about the rebirth and the Candyland. So I'm gonna be right here for the whole video. Let's get Skittles. I forgot what was the other one. I know it's lollipop. There's something else. So much. I just want to check the quest. Okay, I'll check right now. Okay, gummy ore. Didn't I found that already? This is gummy bear. Okay, so that's gummy bear. I need gummy ore, not gummy bear ore. Oh, why do I keep doing that? Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back when I mine that. Okay, guys, so I haven't mined it all yet, but where was the tunnel I was in? I can't see. There's just so much pink. So it's over here, the tunnel I made. This is where all the ore was, but I'm going to make more. I'm gonna keep mining down over here. Like I want to get to 100 def probably. Yeah, cause this I could still break through it easily. I think it's because of my dominus. Ooh, I got a white spider. I didn't want that. Let me see what it does. Okay, it doesn't make me jump too high. That's good. Spiders always make you jump high in this game. Oh wait. Oh, it does. It's just I didn't. Oh, it's because I didn't see. It looks like I'm jumping really. Doesn't look like I'm jumping high. Okay, so creature jump power by 7, mining power by 1. Okay, I don't like that. Let's get my Christmas cap back on. Oh, I could evolve him? What happened? He's level 2 now. What are his stuff now? So it gets from walk speed by 3, mining speed by 1.16, jump power by 1.3. Okay. I evolved him. I'm gonna get over here because I want to get closer to my hole. I need a new backpack. Okay, 200,000. Go get a new backpack. What happened? Wait, I just want to see how much is the next thing. Okay, 1 million for this one. Go to the earth shop. Oh, actually, I want to see the backpacks here. See if I can buy any. There's none over here. Okay. 72, 150. Let's get this, the cylinder pack. I'm almost done with your quest, lady. Oh wait, actually I'm not. My goal for this video to get down is like 250 def maybe. That'd be really good. Ooh, gummy ore. Okay, so that's how gummy ore looks like. It looks like pills. Or I think I just saw it wrong. There's some up there. Oh no, this is jelly bean. What am I saying? Is that it? No. Get the lollipop ore. Because the girl's really fast, so she needs it. Okay, so this is gummy. Yeah, it looks like pills. Oh, there's some up here. Peppermint, I don't care about anymore. I saw some over here. There's tons of ores in this biome. See, I can't even dig because so much ores in my way. Ooh, it's a Swedish fish. Looks like Swedish fish. Dang. Okay, it's giving me lots of money now. Get this. It's worth a lot. I don't want to trade with anybody. It's this guy and this girl. Oh, this is the egg candy. Okay, this is the egg candy. This is worth so much. That's what I wanted to find. Oh, another one? Okay, I'm getting really lucky here. Oh, heart candy's really good too. Okay, so now I'm in the deeper biome, so I get better stuff like this. Okay, so if you're in the depth of 140 at least, you get better stuff, like I did right there. So you actually want to do that. See, because you get more egg candy, heart candy. See, there's lots of it there. So this actually might be a better place to get coins instead of going to Christmas event. But if you don't have your first free breast yet, like me, and can't go here to Candyland, try grinding through Christmas to the Christmas event. Do it now, cause don't wait, cause the Christmas event might be gone tomorrow. You never know. So I wanna go get this egg candy I left down here. More jelly bean stone. More egg candy. Okay, finding it often now. We are probably definitely gonna get to that 120 death at no time. Come on, dig through. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, because I don't have much time for the video. Get some more gummy art. Get me a egg candy and some hearts. Okay, some egg candy right here. Hope I find hearts. Heart candy. So, okay, 1 million. Okay, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Okay, tools. Let's get the candy pickaxe. Okay, this is 11 mil. That's like possible. Okay, we have this baby now. Let's see how good this is now. Let me see if my pet could evolve again. Hope he can. What happened? Being laggy. Okay, I could evolve him again. Oh, okay. So he gives you stuff to evolve him again. Level 3 now. No, the Michael. No, I'm stuck at the ground. Oh, give me that. Okay, I was really scared because I thought I was gonna get stuck on the ground forever. Okay, let's get these pink coins. Cause I wanted to get that legendary pet crate thing. You guys probably don't even know what I'm talking about. Where's the rebirth shop? Rebirth shop. Oh, this is 180. Okay. Let's mine through again. Okay, it digs really fast. We're digging like crazy now. Digging so fast. We're already at 50 death. Okay, we're digging really fast now. Okay guys, so you guys can find egg candy at depth of 130, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm only gonna get one epic hat crate. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm just gonna get one. Then open it. Because I really want wings. Okay, there's no wings in here. I don't want this stone of cinnamon here. How much does it even give you? Where is it? Okay, it's right here. I don't know. I just wasted 200,000 of my dollars on that.